begin. This is where it begins, in the darkness, before the sun and the birds and the world every day. When the alarm sounds, it is time. Rise, despite fatigue and soreness. Curse the warmth of the bed, curse the comfort of the pillow. Fight the temptation of weakness. Get up and go. Do it quickly, without thought. Do not reason with weakness. You cannot. You must only take action. Get up and go. So whatever you got to do, you do it. But I'm not going to compromise, because you are inflicting pain. And where are those of you? You were this close, but you compromised. You let your feeling get the best of you. You compromised, you got lonely. You did stuff that you know you would not. You got hungry and did some stuff. My man sold his birthrights because he was hungry for a bowl of beans. Some of you sold your greatness and your destiny for a couple dollars. It is your life, not a game. This is the best last opportunity, the only opportunity. Give it everything you got. Everybody can smile when it's sunshine. Everyone can do right when everything is going right. Everybody can do that, but everybody can't face opposition, adversity and challenge the same. I have been waiting for you to come. I'm going to embrace you and figure out a way to use you, because you will never turn me. Don't recognize before the adversity. You may just have paralyzed your right hand, but your mentality were not paralyzed. Your spirit were not paralyzed. Your drive were not paralyzed. Your dedication were not paralyzed. And your commitment were not paralyzed. You were the same man. You just had an extra boost of your energy. For why you live your life, you will think as you are part of honor. Everything you did every single day, the adversity, the opposition that life sent you to break me, you will it as a badge of honor, because you understand every day of your life. You represent something. It's like every individual in this room, every company, every brand. When people see you, they think something. You are phenomenal. You have so much greatness in you. You got not idea what you have got to give to this world, but you have to first believe. You must first believe that you have an undeniable talent that Allah gave you to bring to life.